Hi everyone, welcome back to my blog. Today we will be looking at some contemporary art. It is being exhibited at the museum called Les Abattoirs. It's in Toulouse. Les Abattoirs literally means slaughterhouse, and this is what this old fantastic building once was. Outside here you can see it starts with a very lovely garden, which is a big favorite in the city. You have sculptures all around the garden, and then finally we're at the entrance of the museum. The curator of this museum is Annabelle Tenez, and she has been its amazing curator since 2016. It's a space for not just looking at art, but you can have lunch, there is a library, you can do research, there are also spaces for events. Like the outside, the inside of the museum very much keeps up with the colors and the material of the old city of Toulouse. Toulouse is called La Ville Rose, which means the pink city, and it gets its name from the pink bricks that make up the majority of the buildings in the city. And this museum stays true to that. The exhibition at Les Abattoirs for the moment is by a French artist called Orlan. She's 75 years old and she specializes in art of the carnal, as she calls it. Orlan is not tied to any one material, technology, or artistic practice. And what I find absolutely fascinating about her is that she is one of the first, if not the only artist, to use aesthetic surgery or plastic surgery in her art. Not necessarily to make herself look better or improve herself in any way. It's literally she will use plastic surgery as an art project to alter her image. was born in 1947, but I can see how she will leave a legacy. Well, she already has a legacy with artists such as Lady Gaga, which I just think is one of the most amazing artists ever. Avant-garde and altering the body in a way that makes you think about how women's bodies are presented in the media. It's just fantastic. In 2021, Orlan was decorated with the Légion d'honneur, which is France's equivalent of knighthood. It is basically one of the highest awards you can achieve in the country. And she has said that her ultimate work would be to place her mummified body in a museum. Alright everyone, that's the end of this blog. Thank you for coming along with me to an art exhibit in Toulouse. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.